Homework. Um, we finished 1 and 2, A and B. So make sure you understand that um, this is 20, this length is 20. It's the same as this length right here. Okay. Here, some class we didn't finish. B, so if we didn't finish B, we had to use Pythagorean theorem because this, I'll change the color. This line here, the W is missing. Well, let me make it green then. This here is missing, so we had to do, for the width is missing, so we had to do Pythagorean theorem. Okay, this one we didn't have to do Pythagorean theorem because we knew all the sides. Okay, that's important for you to remember. Okay, area of a circle is pi r squared. Anytime you have a circle, and there's a circle. Area is pi times radius. Radius, this is called a diameter right here. Radius is half of it, and half of 5 is 2.5. Okay, you can use a calculator. 5 divided by 2, you get 2.5 squared. Okay, so right now you take a calculator. So I'll use Google calculator. And oh, here's your lesson. I'm going to put a calculator. Okay, and put in that there, and put in this stuff into your calculator right here. So we put pi times 2.5 squared. There's no squared button, so 2.5 is 2 times 2.5. You can put that twice. Squared means twice. Notice that. That's what squared means. So this squared right here is 2.5 times 2.5. So my calculator doesn't have it. I need to do it twice here. Equals to that, and then I have to divide. Did I divide by 2? This is a whole circle, so I don't divide by 2. So it's 19.6. You leave the 6 alone because that's a 3. So it stays 19.6. A equals 19.6 feet. And that's feet. And you subtract, because anytime there's a white, this one is not shaded, anything there's white, you subtract. So total area is 19.6 minus 6. So your total area is 13.6 feet squared. Don't forget the feet squared. Okay, so, and then we did this, most class we did these, and then we did this, the y-intercept is this. Oh, we didn't mention it wants the rate of change, and rate of change is, put it in red, and rate of change. Always answer the question is 25 over 4. So the rate of change is the coefficient next to x. Okay, we did this in class, or you wrote stories. Now you need to make your own stories here. I'm not going to write for you, but this is Jason's savings. So Jason starts out at, let's say if this is 900, let's say he starts out at 900. You can say Jason has $900 in the bank. Saved. Okay? So for 4 months, this is 4 months, he saved more money. He saved up to 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300. You make up numbers. 1,400, 1,500, because there's no numbers there. So for 4 months he saved money. And by the end of 4 months he had, for 4 months, Jason saved money, and at the end of 4 months, Jason has how much money did I say? $1,500, $1,100. Jason has saved okay, right there. After this, he spent money, right? For from month number 4 to month number 5, he spent a lot of money. He only had $700 left, so he spent $800. At the 5th month, by the end of the 5th month, Jason have spent $800 between the 4th and 5th month. And then right here, and has $700 in the bank saved. Okay, for 4 to 8 months, 5 to 8 months, Jason didn't save or spend any money. Okay, and after 8 months, Jason starts saving money every month and not spend anything. That's what you would write. I'll let you finish writing it. Okay. Now, most classes we did number 5, number 6. Some classes we didn't finish. Find the rate. That means how fast Greg was driving during this time, and we're talking about 2.5 to 4.5 hours. And we got ordered pairs for it. 2.5 is 120. 4.5 is right here, 180. So you find the rate of change, x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 1, y sub 1. Okay, so you get 180 minus 120. 4.5 minus 2.5. So Greg is going at 30 miles per hour between those times. Okay? And then here, analyze the graph between 4.5 and 5.5.
Students, if you have detention today, please detention will be in the NPR.
He's at 180 and it stayed at 180, so the difference in mileage is 0 miles. This means he stopped for about 1 hour to eat. And then explain. We did this in class, in most classes. Okay, between 5.5 and 8 hours. This spot right there. Greg's was driving at, okay. How far was he after 8 hours of driving? It's 135 miles away from home. Describe the graph. So why would it be going in this direction? The graph is decreasing because he's going back home, okay? In some class we finished number 9. Okay, you do the same. Describe the rate. Rate, remember, anytime you do that, it's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 between the first 2 months. So right here to is 0, 90, right here's and you find the rate of change and figure out $22.50 each month. 7th and 12th month, 7 is 5 and 15, 8 is 8 and 15. You subtract, you get 0. Find the area of the shaded region for the problems below. Okay. Explain the steps in getting your answer. Okay, that's really important. But step 1 was to find area. Hey, Joseph. Did your mom say for you to come today? Did your mom say for you to come today?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, well, it's just I just need to figure out this one thing.
Okay, come on over. I'm doing a videotaping.
Students, just a reminder, no tutoring center tomorrow. No tutoring center.
You want to do this with me?
Detention is in the MPR right now.
Let's do this with me. Okay. Number 10. We can do it together. Your homework?
Oh, I did my homework.
Already?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
It was just the part where you have to do like the 1.0 and the 2.0 and all that.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how to do the multiplication.
1.0, 2.0? What do you mean? I'm going to move this over to, oh, I can't. Okay, let me see it, because I'm recording. You'll hear this on all my recording. Okay, let me see. Hold on, let me move this back. It's just, people are just going to go see the blank screen. Let me move this back. So, okay, because I'm on that problem. Which one?
So, no, it's not on this packet. It was a problem where you had to do like.
Can you remember what day it was and show me the problem? Was it on this one?
No, it was like when this thing with like this.
Square root?
Yeah.
Oh, you're having problems with that.
With the multiplication like 1.0 times.
Okay, you need to list your perfect square. Hold on, I just need to finish this. I need to finish videotaping these, because if not, it just takes me too long to redo everything. Okay, I just didn't know you were coming. I wouldn't have. Okay, first do the triangle, which is area is length times width divided by 2. Area equals 9 times 12 divided by 2. Area is 54 centimeters squared, and then you do the circle. So you need to explain that first. Find area of the triangle, length times width, by multiplying 9 times 12 and divide by 2 to get 54 centimeters squared. Next do Pythagorean theorem. Because diameter's missing. Right here's the diameter and it's missing. So we do a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. A is 9 squared plus 12 squared equals to diameter squared. 81 plus 144 equals diameter squared. Add that together, you get 225 equals diameter squared. Take the square root, d is 15. So diameter is 15. If diameter is 15, radius is 7.5. To find the radius of, to find find the diameter of 15. 15 and radius is 7.5. Can you go open my door for me? Now find area of half a circle. Pi r squared divided by 2. So pi times r is 7.5 squared, and then get the answer, divide by 2. And you get your answer of, so let's say, clear it, pi times 7.5, oops, how do I delete this? Backspace, no. Oh, okay, 7.5 times 7.5, and then you get that answer divided by 2, 88.4, which is 88.4. Last, subtract. So you get pi r squared divided by 2. So pi times radius, 7.5 squared divided by 2, you get the answer of 88.0. I'm explaining what 88 what was it? 88.4. And then you subtract these two answers from each other because there's white spots to find the total area. Last, subtract 88.4 minus 54 to give me the answer in whatever centimeters squared. And this is a square. So you find area of a triangle, which is area is length times width divided by 2. And then you add together because both of them are shaded to this answer, area of a square is length times width. Now notice one of the side of the square is missing. So you have to do Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals to c squared to find this side. Okay? Hopefully this helps, and add it together, okay? We'll leave it there.